DJT Stock Monday. In this 1-minute video, I'm covering technical analysis and price predictions. So where is Trump Media stock going from Monday and onward? First of all, we're sitting at 29.59, and I personally on DJT or Trump Media stock, I'm still quite bullish. Obviously, just for context, I'm sticking to this strategy that I've refined over thousands of videos. But we did, since we finally started breaking some bullish structure, that's how it looks like. Obviously, election is around the corner. Has some time until then, but until then or whatever, if the price pulls into my demand area and gives me that double break, then and only then I'll buy, and anything else other than that is going to be noise. Really, like, because if you looked at the other videos that I've done on DJT when it was DWAC as well, it's been wild. But yeah, I've had like a lot of wild predictions regarding DWAC, which is not even here. It's on my YouTube channel if you search. But yeah, if you want to learn the strategy, you want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description.